Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to make a YouTube video thumbnail. In order to do that, we need to confirm the size of our YouTube thumbnail. So in the Excel in the notepad that I'm going to provide for everybody, so I've put that one there too. So in case you want to use the custom design function here, or maybe you want to use it from this place, so in case you want to do that, so that's why we are putting the dimension there, so in order for you to see it. But let's imagine you just want to proceed because Canva has already provide all the necessary details for you. You don't have to stress yourself out on that. So what you just have to do is to follow the same thing that I'm doing, then click on the YouTube thumbnail. If you notice, exactly the size is the same, so just put that in mind. So we are going to create a custom design on our own, as we normally do each section of the video, and we are also going to use a template. So in this section on, I think we should use a template on first. So let's see how we are going to do it. As we normally do it, it's going to be a great idea. Let's imagine you follow what your audience are doing. Okay, for example, let's go to YouTube. So now YouTube, then let's search for something like actually I press YouTube, then I press the tab button, so I can automatically search from here and it's going to show it directly on YouTube. So let's search for something like maybe like a laptop review, best laptop review. So review for gaming. So we are going to see different videos under that niche. That video, that their thumbnail is what we are after now. So now, as you can see it, this is exactly what they do. So okay. Now you have the great overview of what they are doing and how they are doing it. So if you notice that they make their words kind of big, so the text here is big, and something like that. And if you notice, everyone here, they make their words big. This one too. So now the laptop are there, so you must make sure a laptop is in your picture, and you must make sure your words are big. Like for example, if you notice, you don't have to be looking people that has Mac on their on their own YouTube channel. The reason behind that is that if you look them, they are they have the reputation on that niche on YouTube, so you don't have to copy them. Their own style, they can just post something plain and they will get the views, they will have the clicks. But you, as a newbie, or maybe you're a professional, as a professional, you can just proceed that way and you know, do something perfectly that way too. So you just have to so this is the result based on my understanding of just a quick glance through. I noticed that they have a big words and the laptop, every one of them have a laptop, understand? Then they have big words that is obvious for their users to easily read, understand? But the authority people there did not put any words. You know, they are like div 2D is a pro, so you can't use someone like Unbox Therapy, someone like your average review, or someone like Dave Lee, or someone like McQuest to be stressing themselves too much, because they have the authority badge already, so they can't really stress themselves out on the banner. But they use something catchy else. Someone like this, Linus, you know. So so but you, like, maybe I don't know how big your brand is, maybe your authority brand too, so you just have to make it look perfect and catchy for your users to easily read and click on it. So now we've understand what they are going to, like, what they need in this space, then let's start something like that. So I think I should work on something something blank like this. So we are going to, instead of we using the template first, Okay, let's use the template first. Okay, let's use the template first. So let's see something related to laptop. So let's see, we are going to see, so this is the only one we have on laptop. Then let's make this work. Okay, good. If you notice about, like, maybe your computer, they fall at this side, they are all in this side. So actually that means your words too must be in this side, because this is going to block it. If you notice, this is going to block it. So your design, your words must be in this side to, like, this side of the picture, because this side of the picture, there are some, maybe you add to watch list, reload, and some other things are going to be there. So your words must fall this side. But if you actually look at this picture that we have here of laptop, the laptop is in center. So, and if we put our words on it, it's going to automatically overlay on the laptop. So we can actually change the picture. So we are going to look for a picture with laptop. Okay, I think this is going to be a perfect fit for this. So because the reason behind me saying that is because there is a little space left out for us to use. You understand what I'm trying to say? For us to use. And you see, this is going to be perfect. So now it's inside. Then how about this? We just delete some part of this. Then let's just delete it. Okay, on group, because I think they have the same layer. So this only delete. Then we can actually reduce this one size, and maybe move it a bit to this place. Then something like this, something like this. Then we change this. I noticed they use yellow. I don't know why they are using yellow though. Yellow is kind of yellow. Yellow is here. Yellow is here. Something yellow is showed a lot, and red supposed to be the catching one. So black and yellow is common. So I think black and yellow, white. Okay, so we are going to work with that. So now let's set the background to something black. Yeah, let's use black for the background, because the black is here too. So let's use black. We are going to, I'm just trying to come up with the design. We can actually go for this black, and I think that's matte black, and that's a turquoise color. So okay, so then we should change this to something else. We can just go for, okay, best gaming laptop. No, something silly like that. So we should change the color to I think, I'm not sure. Oh, doesn't work. Let's use something yellow and see how it's going to look like. Then let's make it their yellow. Oh dear, this doesn't look good to me. I don't know. So it's based on how you actually want your design to look. Okay, so let me quickly use this opportunity to show you. So this tool is going to help you to pick a color from the web page. So now I've selected it, and it's going to help you to pick a color. Now it's coming up. So this is it. Boom, just like that. Then you come back to the tool, then you just select it, and you copy the color, the yellow color. So I'm going to record a separate video for this though. Let's quickly go back to our course. Then now we have the exact yellow they use. Then we can just put it there. Boom, perfect. But this black is not really the black that they are using, so you should go back. I don't know how this looks in your own face though. So let's see how it's going to look. I don't know. I'm just trying to come up with something. Okay, I think I need to lower this opacity, the opacity of this stuff here. So let's do that by selecting it and reducing the transparency. Okay, Okay, good. I think this looks way more better. And based on the yellow, I just want something cashy. So it's either red or yellow like this is going to be okay. So something perfect like this will fit in into something uh like this. So you notice something that this guy top 5, you understand, it makes it different. Top 5, top 6, understand. So that's why I have to put 5 best. You can just come up with something like maybe duplicate this shape, or just go into the element and copy or make a new shape, you understand. Make a new shape, then make the shape something like this. Or yeah, okay, so you can just come up with the top 5 here, then lower the opacity to something almost the same thing like that. Okay, I'm not sure. So this 68, let me check this. This is 70, then we have to set this back to 70. You understand what I'm trying to do here, I believe. So 70, I don't have time for that. So 70, then 70, we can just change this one color though, because we want it to stand out. I don't know, maybe this what I'm doing makes sense. But now let's add the text to it, and Control D to copy. And so we should just put top 5, or put a space to it, then copy it to fit in here. To fit in here. So this shows that I need to drag this a bit out, then later drag this front like this. So now the text color must be the same thing with this. So then let's correct this to this. Yeah, okay, I think it's looking nice like this. Or in order to be in line with this, okay. So how about now? What do you think, guys? So top 5 best gaming laptops. What do you think? So it's based on your own creativity. You just have to come up with something related to what people are clicking or searching for in your space. You understand? So for a answer to be shown up here, that means people are clicking that very much. A lot of people are clicking it. That's why it's on the list here. Understand? So if you notice something too, there is game PC, you understand, like there is something like a console, like, and this laptop is Alienware, something like that is what you just have to put in mind. They have gaming logo there. So if you know any game, understand, you can just search for, let's see, a game logo, so that I can just to make it more complete, to make it more understanding. So you can just okay, you can just search for something like this and get it. So we need something transparent though. So if it's transparent, okay, I need something that will have the, I don't want this word, I want something something like this, you understand, so that people can easily understand. Okay, this did not have a background. Does not have a background. I need something related to that with a background. With no background, I mean. At this one, it has a background too. So okay, how about this one has a background. So you can just play around it. Then okay, good. This is a perfect match. Then we can just download this. So download, then you can later come back into your upload section. When you come back into the upload section, you can easily upload the picture. Very easy, I think I've showed you how to do that in the past video, so I might probably skip this part off for you in order not to disturb you. So I just finished the uploading, and this is the stuff I just download. I actually you know, if you notice your competitors here, if you are in this niche, I'm just trying to come up with something. The game stuff is on their laptop screen. If you understand what I mean, something like this. If you notice the laptop screen, you will see it there. So based on the picture we are using here, we can't actually get that, So then we can just put it somewhere here. So okay, it's aligned with this. Then let's see. Then I think I should go down a bit for this. I should just go down a bit so that it's just going to look like as if it's for each other. More down. Then let's take a look now. Okay, what do you think, guys? But it might just read top 5 Fortnite best gaming laptop. So some users might put that in mind. So we can just try to rotate this and maybe try to rotate this. Then maybe, I don't know. I'm just trying to come up with something. So it's based on your own ideas and or just put it somewhere here. But if it's a laptop review or maybe a single laptop review, you have to put the laptop name. Like for example, now I think someone puts okay, like this one now, the laptop MS, MSI something. You understand something? I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. So that's the idea behind it. You get the picture. It's either you search for the picture online, but you just have to be careful of what you use that are online because of copyright issue. So you just have to be smart with it, and your design must make it look better or like your competitor. You just have to put that in mind. So in our next video, we are just going to play around with templates for thumbnail.